to the next spot. Last night we fell asleep, so we didn't explore. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. It's cold? Should we go this way? Oh, no. That's monorail. Starbucks is open. That's where we came from? That's where we checked in over here. Oh, look at those Christmas trees you wanted to see last night.
We'll do it later.
Alright, we're gonna do it later. But it does look nice, look at this. I fixed the sound last night. It's on medium, so hopefully it's good. Oh look, chicken and peas. Tenders.
I thought you were pointing at something else.
Alright, car's way over here, so.
How'd you guys know where we were?
This is the, we just got out of the elevator.
Oh yeah, we were.
There's our car range almost got hit. Let's see what we got over here.
Pool's not open yet.
Pool's not open till 10. Wait, it is open. There's nobody there.
Oh, 11. Yeah, you're right. They just don't. Tomorrow we can do it early in the morning.
So that pool's open. The one with the waterfall, not waterfall, but where's how that thing is? And the water coming out.
And then we'll be up there later.
We're gonna try. Oh, now we're gonna go to the Strat later.
I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, but
Today or tomorrow, but now let's go to our car. Fill up on Costco gas, which is hella cheap here, and then Hoover Dam. Oh, look at this. It's daytime. This is the casino we're at right here, Sahara. Staying at the hotel there. Coral said there looks something about the store. What? The new club members? Is that the store you're talking about, Coral?
no, that's not it.
Oh.
That's just a general store.
Oh, just
it's
a
pretty
general
big.
store.
That's it.
There's a McDonald's across the street. There's a McDonald's.
You guys are not.
Coral says we're not having McDonald's, so
Well, we'll have the McDonald's.
You guys are
big
not.
Subway. Starbucks again? The Starbucks is out here.
Oh, stop! Yeah.
Oh, here, look at this.
You know,
That's where we are.
I'm actually down
Oh,
for
there's the
Starbucks.
monorail.
Where? Oh yeah, there's a monorail.
Cool. Look at this.
Does it go to all the casinos?
That's a good question. Very good question.
So there's a monorail.
Probably does.
It probably goes in a circle, huh?
Yeah, probably goes in a loop.
Probably goes in a giant loop all the way to the front one. That'd be
Yeah.
cool.
So we're at the very beginning.
Yeah, nice. So we're at the beginning.
It's a away now.
The Sahara is the beginning of the strip. So, I mean, of course, the strip is for nighttime. So we're gonna do stuff during the daytime and then come back at nighttime, and then we're gonna go to the strip.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice staying forever. Next destination, Hoover Dam. Okay, we're getting close. You can see the water. I'm about to put the camera outside, so you probably won't be able to hear, but hey, come on, dude, open. Next to a body of water. We'll go around it again, so when we get closer, we'll check it out again. Oh!
Take my photo. Here we are.
I don't know what the fuck I'm just doing. No, forward.
What are you doing? Put it down.
There you go. We just arrived. We just parked, and it is no longer 12:30. It's 1:30 because we're in Arizona. Is it so exciting, Coral?
Yeah. Now we're closer to Mexico time.
Yep.
Yeah, Hilda?
You're not beating us by that much. Okay, let's go.